Here we have Vaibhav Gupta. He secured an All India rank of 54 in JEE 2009. He has also cleared the Indian National Physics Olympiad. Hi Vaibhav.
Hi Ritika.
So tell us, how did you prepare for the JEE and any tips that you would like to share with the students?
I think the most important thing to crack JEE is to solve problems. Practice as many problems as you can. You must try to refer books, the notes and the problem sheets that you have been provided by your coaching institute or from anywhere else. You must try to solve as many questions as you can, which gives you edge in the practice in the exam.
Okay, so talking of one of the subjects, chemistry, there are a lot of things to be marked, especially in inorganic chemistry. There are a lot of salts and their tests. So should students understand them all or should students mark them up?
I think I should say I also thought that there is a need of mugging. But in the December, before the exam, I realized that it was not mugging, but reasoning, which was at the core of the chemistry. Then I tried to reason every question and I tried to understand every mechanism before the reaction in the 3 months. And as you can see, I scored a good marks in chemistry. So at the end also, if you understand the mechanism, it's pretty easy to secure good marks in JEE.
Okay. So which books would you recommend for students last 3 months of preparation?
In the last 3 months of preparation, I don't refer any book. It's all your notes and the concise form of studies which you can study in 3 months. You cannot refer any book because books have a wide variety of syllabus which is not up to JEE. So you must not refer any book according to me.
Okay. Who or what played the most crucial role in your preparation for the JEE?
I think the most important role was played by the test which I gave and the analysis of that. That is most important. You must learn from your mistake and you must not repeat your mistake. You must analyze every paper you give after the paper. You must check the solution, you must see your mistakes and try that they do not occur in the next test.
What do you think is the strategy that students should adopt to crack the present JEE pattern?
I think present JEE pattern is quite easy as it is objective. If you now you can see, if you don't know the answer of any question, you can just get it by eliminating options. It is very easy to eliminate options if you know anything about the topic. If you have a fleeting view of every topic in the subject, then you can score pretty good marks in JEE.
During the last few days up to JEE, what should students concentrate on, theory or problems?
I would refer theory because theory is the most important and you must be clear with all your concepts. Problem solving must be done before December, and after December I would refer only try your notes and learn them.
Okay. So how did you manage to tackle the JEE and boards together? Any tips for the students?
I don't think there is any need to tackle them both because if you are preparing for JEE, you are automatically done with your boards. Sometimes students face problem in English, but English can be done in the gap provided by the board, provided by CBSE in between the boards.
Okay. So how do you think that EduCell can help students in cracking JEE?
EduCell is a pretty good organization which is providing notes and test series for students. It is providing mentoring session which is very helpful for the students, and the notes provided by the EduCell are pretty good. They are in the concise form and if you refer to them in the last 3 months, they are pretty good for securing good rank in JEE.
Okay. How much do you feel will mentoring affect students' preparation for JEE?
Mentoring is very important for students in JEE as my brother has also cleared JEE, so he always used to guide me. Whenever I was in doubt, I used to call him and ask him what should I do in this case and what should I don't do. So if students don't have any elder brother, then EduCell have mentoring sessions for them. They can call their seniors anytime and can get help from them.
Okay. So is there any experience that you would like to share with the students out there?
Yeah, I would like to share experience. I would say that you must not get overconfident at any point of your preparation. When I was in class 11, I used to get very good marks in my coaching institute. So I thought that I would easily get a top 10 rank in JEE. But and therefore, when I came in 12th, I didn't work hard. So, but then you can see that I secured a low rank. Means I say that I could have got better rank in JEE.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Vaibhav. It was nice talking to you.